nice little swimming hole right here.
Yeah, I see that.
I'm gonna take you to a couple of more, man. There y'all are, looking for trouble out here now.
Somewhere.
Yeah.
Just get down there and do some when it runs around.
Yeah.
Sit in that hole and take your little with you. Just sit there and I like that thinking. You just get lost out here.
Oh yeah. I love this shit.
Me too, man.
Yeah, I love this shit right here. All right, so we're here today with Curtis, and he's gonna take me around the what's this place called?
This is Ledgewater Park, the Texas Iron Motorcycle Rally.
All right, and so far we're having a good time. Last night was a blast. What would you call that? Tassel?
Tassel twirling contest?
Yeah, that was pretty cool last night. All the contestants were pretty cool. You know, the winner, she's actually, I think she rode up here by herself.
Yes, she rode her own motorcycle up here and been hanging out. She's in a tent, camping, and having a good time.
All right, Curtis, so let me know, or let these guys know what's going to happen for the future. What you gonna do bigger and better? You trying to build up this rally?
Well, of course we want to get bigger and better, but we got a family here, man, and nobody that's involved with Texas Iron actually gets paid for this. They're all volunteers. So what we do is we sell our goods, we throw our parties, and we put money back into the kitty to do the next event. And the rally is just part of it. We go all over the place and do events. We do other people's events, and we have a good time. It's all about the motorcyclism. It's all about the motorcycle world and lifestyles. You know, that's what we're about, keeping it alive.
So let them know where they can contact you in case they want more information.
Man, the best place, of course, we got a website, and it's okay. It's TexasIronRally.com. We have a Facebook page, which is Texas Iron Rally, which is okay. The good place to be is Texas Iron Facebook group. We have over 15,000 people, 15,000 bikers on there, and we all post up whichever way we're going. Keep track, meet us up somewhere, look us up. We're all over the place. We ride motorcycles.
All right, good to know. All right, anything else?
I think we're good. Get your asses out here if you want your bike in the bike show.
Yeah, and
got to be here by 3, and the winner gets on the shirt for the following years. We got some badass shirts.
Yeah, that's another thing. Eli was telling me about the shirts. That what you do is you have a contest about the bikes, and you start putting the last year's winner.
Right, it's a People's Choice bike show. Got a couple of rules. You got to ride it in, can't push it in. Just got to run, got to ride it in. 2 is once it's in line, if I catch you wiping it, because we'd rather have ridden bikes, you're disqualified. But the deal is you get to be on the shirt for the following year, and they're kick-ass shirts. Check out Texas Iron, anything, you'll see some of the shirts. I got a really good artist. He digitizes them, puts a backdrop in them and everything, and that's the shirt for the following year. So, sorry, second and third, you would give a crappy trophy, but the winner gets the shirt.
Cool. Make sure you guys check out Texas Iron at Facebook.com. And this is Curtis right here. Been a hell of a host. His wife also, Christy. Man, I can't say anything. I can't really say too much about them other than come on down, get to know these guys. This guy's a pretty decent guy. He's a hard worker, like I said before, and he makes it happen. Everything's about the people. It's not about him sometimes, you know. Since I got here yesterday, he's actually been busting his ass all the time, trying to put out fires, him and his wife. And right now he took a little bit of time to come and show me the grounds out here. So again, you guys talk to Curtis and hook him up on Facebook.
Hit us up.
Get out of here!
Busted! That's how it all starts, right there.
Damn right!
Y'all having fun?
Yes, sir.
All right,
Hell
man.
yeah.
Y'all coming back next year?
Yes, sir.
All
Damn
right, all
We've
right.
been here last year, except
It was a little bit
Goddamn
different
plague
last year. And if y'all made it through last year, y'all ain't pussy, so thank you for coming back. But why do y'all keep coming back?
Because we love it. This is badass
because these
fun.
people,
Are
Texas
awesome.
people are the awesomest sons of bitches I've ever met in my life. All of y'all friendly,
people.
all of us are. No riffraff, no
No
bullshit,
drama, no
goddamn
bullshit,
drama.
just fun.
Just falling in the cactus and having to get motored home.
Okay, that was an accident.
It was an accident. Thanks, guys.
Hey guys, love y'all, man.
Love y'all, man.
Sir.
Have fun. Y'all doing all right? Hey, are y'all putting the bike in the bike show? You gotta have it up. You gotta have it up there by 3 or before 3, and you gotta go sign up. They'll give you a sticker to put on your headlight. Okay? Okay. Cool. Let me know if you need anything. I'll take care. Oh man, cool, look. Everything all good over here? Yep. Did y'all get the hookers we sent? Did y'all get the hookers we sent over here? Y'all have fun. Look at that. Right there is quick stand. T-shirt, you're a little early for the wet t-shirt, baby. You're a little early for the wet t-shirt, baby.
Good. I'm glad Brad's not here either.
Good to see you, baby.
Yes, sir, man. I'm barely getting around.
Barely getting around. She got her own motorcycle. We call her kickstand because she got one leg. She rides all over the fucking place. What's
really
that?
hurts. The YouTube channel.
I am
pissed
can up down there, the
Right on.
walls and everything
Right on.
full of shit. I don't know how they do that.
Brother?
How you make it get sick.
Yes. I'm just here for the day.